Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive shift in how organizations manage their most complex system data. We're talking about AI log triage, and more specifically, this incredible technique called fingerprinting. It's literally rescuing IT departments from total data overload, and yes, severely cutting operational costs while doing it. Let's get right into it. So, here's the big question. How do we find a digital needle in a completely endless haystack of data? I mean, every single day, our servers and networks generate an absolute avalanche of logs, right? Hidden inside those millions of lines of text are the crucial clues to system health, security vulnerabilities, the whole shebang. But finding that one catastrophic warning before it's too late, it feels nearly impossible. Well, that's the mystery we're solving today. All right, here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the log avalanche, move into AI log triage, and then look at building your AI detective. From there, we'll cover the magic of fingerprinting, see AI triage in action, and wrap up with a guide for IT students. Starting off with Section 1, the log avalanche. You know, logs are generating at an unprecedented rate these days, and while they're the absolute ground truth of what's happening inside your network, the sheer volume makes finding clues manually, well, a deeply daunting task. Actually, scratch that. It's practically impossible now. We are way past the point where traditional string matching or simple regex queries can save us. Imagine staring at thousands of lines of text scrolling past every single second, trying to spot just one tiny anomaly in that high-velocity stream. It's a massive drain on resources, and it guarantees critical blind spots that leave your infrastructure wide open. Which brings us to Section 2. Enter AI log triage. So, what exactly is AI log triage? Put simply, it's the process of using artificial intelligence to analyze system logs and identify potential issues. Instead of a human engineer just burning out over endless text files, AI acts as our tireless detective. It shifts us completely away from reactive, rule-based alerts and right into proactive analysis. The system instantly scans, sorts, and flags the exact anomalies we actually need to worry about. It prioritizes the digital bleeding, so to speak, and drastically reduces alert fatigue for your engineering teams. When you compare the two approaches, it's like night and day. Manual analysis. It's an overwhelming, slow task, and honestly, human fatigue almost guarantees you're going to miss critical issues. It relies on static thresholds that become totally obsolete the second your network topology changes. But AI log triage, it uses machine learning for automated, rapid pattern identification in milliseconds. It adapts dynamically. By moving to these automated ML frameworks, catching hidden anomalies early prevents those small, silent issues from snowballing into super expensive system-wide outages. Moving right along to Section 3, building your AI detective. Now, the architecture here is actually incredibly straightforward when you break it down into 3 actionable steps. First up, you collect logs from various sources. Think firewalls, load balancers, application servers, and pull them into a central hub. Second, and this is absolutely vital, you pre-process the data to remove unnecessary information. You have to clean out the noise and repetitive formatting so your machine learning models don't just overfit or stall out on garbage data. Feature engineering usually happens right here to extract the real meaning from unstructured text. And third, the magic step. You use machine learning algorithms to identify those hidden, multi-dimensional patterns that our human eyes would just completely miss. All right, Section 4, the magic of fingerprinting. Okay, so fingerprinting is this incredible technique used in AI log triage to identify highly unique patterns in your logs. When machine learning algorithms chew through massive amounts of historical data, they start to notice that specific security breaches, or say memory leaks, generate a highly distinct sequence of entries. By isolating this precise digital signature, really weighing the exact frequency and sequence of these logs, the AI creates a robust fingerprint for that exact event. Think of it like this. Just like human fingerprints identify a specific person at a crime scene without relying on circumstantial evidence, log fingerprints identify specific, unique issues so you can take corrective action. When the system recognizes a known fingerprint in real time, it instantly knows the culprit. No guesswork, no spending hours manually hunting through complex timestamp correlations. The AI accurately nails the issue, triggering immediate corrective action. It's a real game changer. Let's look at Section 5. AI triage in action. Now, these aren't just abstract computer science concepts we're throwing around. AI log triage is out there actively protecting operations across some really critical industries right now. We're talking about healthcare and medical devices, finance and high-speed trading systems, and keeping platform stability rock solid in the insanely competitive e-commerce space. And the real-world stakes here are extreme. Take healthcare, for example. We're analyzing medical device logs to identify life-saving potential issues. If a ventilator or heart monitor starts throwing subtle, uncharacteristic error codes, the system spots that fingerprint and alerts the staff long before the device critically fails. It is literally life-saving technology. Then over in finance, it's analyzing trading systems to instantly catch suspicious activity. It identifies the exact fingerprint of fraud and freezes those malicious transactions before the money is even gone. Pretty amazing, right?
Finally, Section 6, a guide for IT students.
If you're an IT student right now, especially in booming tech sectors like India, these best practices are your direct roadmap to bringing immense value to any enterprise. Step 1, understand your organization's requirements and identify your log sources. Step 2, pre-process those logs rigorously. Clean that data. Step 3, use ML algorithms to analyze everything at scale. And step 4, use fingerprinting to identify patterns and take corrective action. Master this pipeline, and you are going to be an absolute asset to any engineering team. So, we've seen how overwhelming the log avalanche can be, and how AI log triage just cuts right through that noise to find the truth. The tools are here, the blueprints are crystal clear. So, I'll leave you with this. How will you use AI fingerprinting to solve the digital mysteries of tomorrow's systems? Thanks for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll catch you next time.